everybody out there. So we're out in front of the Regenamex clinic. I'm Danny G. This is Brian Cage, and we're just going to discuss a little bit about treatment that Brian just went through. Ryan, take away. What just happened here?
So we got 50 million split up into two pieces through my tendons in my shoulder, my long head of my bicep, and my supraspinatus tendon. And then we got 50 million with hyaluronic acid added into it into the knee joint of my left knee.
So Brian is an incredible athlete. He's a specimen and a half, and he's put his body through the mill every way, shape, form, Sunday. So as you can see, he's got the scars, the metal knees, the fruit.
Got double knee surgery going on. This guy, you need the stels today, but yeah.
And he is recovering like nobody's business. So the knee got much better, talk about treatment outcomes. So hopefully with any luck here, he's going to be running through the fields with the wind blowing in his beard.
It's who's the beard, yeah. That person. Yeah. The living color. Yeah, so we've been out for a little while, and I know I've been on the Regenerative a few different times. This is almost our 10-year anniversary.
He came down. He was one of the first influencer guys that came down and started talking about the Regenerative. God bless him. And that way, we opened our doors 2016, 2017. So we're not quite a decade, but yeah. I mean, so he's been down, I think 3-4 times, something like that. Oh, more of that. Yeah, it's a lot of times. 5 or 6. Keep counting. It's been a long life. Anyway, but just wanted to capture the moment, run it down, and you heard it here first. Regenamex.com.
Booba.